While sitting on her front porch, a woman suddenly heard the sound of crying coming from a nearby neighbor's house. Worried that something might be wrong, she immediately called the police to check it out. Shortly after, a police officer was dispatched and quickly arrived at the neighbor's house. He later returned to update the woman, but what he said left her completely surprised.
Okay, I had to come back here to tell you this, all right? You're safe.
No.
She's safe. So go over there. There is like an older couple. They live across the street from these people. So she was crying because she buried her pet rat. Her rat died. A rat, R-A-T.
It turned out that the crying came from an elderly couple who were mourning the loss of their beloved pet mouse.